When we started the safety video, aside from making sure that we clearly communicate our safety guidelines and procedures to our passengers, we know that we wanted to uplift and promote Philippine culture.
I feel like this safety video is going to really catch everyone's attention because we're showcasing a Filipino culture or tradition that having telenovelas growing up.
We really showcase here the beauty of our culture, the beauty of our nature, and also the beauty of our country.
Si Anton dito, farmer, so kailangan medyo matikas din. So nag-workout din. Nanood din ako ng some telenovela na medyo related din sa kwento. Para medyo naman maramdaman ko din yung character ko dito.
Pag-play mo ng kontrabida, ang dami mong pupuntahan eh. Pwede mo siyang gawing masama, sobrang sama, or pwede mo siyang gawing masama na merong konting puso. So ang ginawa ko dito as Diego, masama siya pero meron siyang konting puso. Love towards Luisa, ang kanyang kababata.
The production team, the directors, the script writers, I think they made it easy for us. It allows us to not have to think too much that we need to blend it.
Given that this is Philippine Airlines, we wanted to show the heart of the Filipino even through the design. So we wanted it to really feel a Filipino brand in terms of not only the visual but of the spirit of the elements, the props, the settings, and everything else.
This is costume heavy. Like, we don't really get to do this a lot. Stuff like this, we get really, really excited.
Naghanap kami ng inspirasyon from beloved Filipino songs. Meron talagang distinct sound ang mga awitin natin. Kahit mula sa mga lumang kundiman hanggang sa mga modern songs na natin, hindi ito nagbabago. Mahilig tayo sa romantic at saka mga awit pag-ibig.
Because nothing says true love like care that comes from the heart.